Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the background image on your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the background image on your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. So the background image on your website, you want to put it as your logo or something to do with your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the background image on your website, it's going to be handled in the editor. So first, make sure you are working in the correct website here on the top left. Once you've chosen the correct website here on the left menu, you're going to open up this menu, website, and then click on edit site. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and choose the page that you want to change the background image for by clicking up here on the top left. For me, I'm going to go ahead and change the background image for this page, cool cars. And now the thing is with Weebly, they're set up into sections. So this, as we hover over, is one section, and we scroll down, we're going to see this blue box. That's another section. And here's another one down here. So for example, if I want to go ahead and change the background image here to the main banner, I'm going to click on it, and then this menu is going to pop up on the left. If you want to edit the background to another section, you can scroll down and do the same thing. Just click on the blue box. After that, here on the left menu, you're going to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see the section background. Once you open up this menu, you can change it to a color, a gradient, or an image. So let me go ahead and do an image. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and select an image. Okay, I grabbed an image. Okay, next you want to click on the image and then click on done. All right, quick second later, the background image updates. As you can see right here, we just added in this city as the background image in this particular section. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to update or change the background image in your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.